Hello. Today we are interviewing Dr. Carly Martone, a veterinarian here in the Texas Panhandle. She is here to talk to us about antibiotics in meat. So, doctor, is the meat on our table killing us? What is the story on antibiotics and our meat consumption?
Thanks for having me. To answer your first question, no, the meat we eat is not killing us. In respect to your second question, there are a few lines of defense we have set up to prevent antibiotics from being in the meat on your table. The three I want to emphasize today is that 1. Veterinarians are the only ones who can prescribe antibiotics. 2. All drugs given to food animals are labeled for how long you have to wait before you can butcher them. And 3. Food Safety Inspection Service checks meat and gets rid of any that may have antibiotics.
How confident can we be that our meat doesn't have antibiotic residue?
We can be pretty confident. Given those first two lines of defense, us vets, and labeled withdrawal times, less than 0.5% of meat tested positive for antibiotics according to the FSIS National Residue Program. You can actually go online and check those stats every year. The FSIS puts out a blue book at the beginning of the year that tells you their plan for antibiotic sampling, and then puts out a red book at the end of the year that tells you their results.
What is your role in keeping our food supply safe?
Right, so I mentioned that veterinarians are the only ones who can prescribe any antibiotics. That is actually federal law as of 2017. The Veterinary Feed Directive of 2017 says that a vet has to examine the animal, determine if it's sick and needs antibiotics, and then prescribe the medicine for use only in those animals. This is to prevent antibiotics from being used to increase growth as opposed to treating a sick animal. It's our job to make sure antibiotics are used responsibly in the first place long before that animal is butchered for meat. So, check out those FSIS red books online for yourself, and remember that between us vets, drug labels, and FSIS meat checks, you can be confident that there are no antibiotics in your meat.
Thank you so much, Carly.
Thank you.